Voila. You don't boss.
What is it?
Don't boss.
What's here? What is it?
That same woman don't go be my brother. Eh? He don't pay.
What?
As we did here, so in my dear house.
There is problem.
I dey tell you. No be there end though. Trouble2.com. Ichiago children don't die. Stop it. What happened? I just come out here. Now I see a group of boys gather waiting the soul. They say Ichiago's son see the throne for the village shrine. Now they fast forward to carry on. He killed 2 of them.
Chimo.
Hey! Papa! Huh? Come and see it. It's here. I told you. Papa, I told you people.
Let's go inside. No. Calm down. Now that we know that it is here, let's go back home. At night, then we come back.
Papa, come back where? Sometimes you talk like you're not the real Ago. Don't you know there are so many people looking for this throne and if we don't take it now, they will come here and carry it and Frank will give them the 2 million.
See, Papa, let me tell you, even Akudo might come here and speak this thing. Let's just go inside and collect it.
I know, calm down. We must do something. We must perform ritual before we enter there.
What is ritual again?
What are we performing?
Let's
here.
Let's
go.
Hey! Jimo! Mama! My son! Jimo! My son! Do me! Hey! Somebody help! How? Jimo, one more! Somebody should help me! Hey! I want more! Do me now, one more!
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.